Lima beans, also known as butter beans or Ceiba beans, are a unique and nutritious legume that has captured the attention of cultures around the world. With their distinctive flat, oval shape and creamy texture, these beans are not only delicious but also offer a wealth of health benefits. Originating from the warm climates of Central and South America, lima beans have been cultivated for thousands of years and were a staple food for ancient civilizations, including the Incas. Their adaptability to various growing conditions has allowed them to spread across continents, making them a popular choice for gardeners and farmers alike. With a variety of types, flavors, and culinary uses, lima beans are an essential addition to any diet. The cultivation of lima beans is a fascinating journey that begins with the selection of the right variety. There are two main types of lima beans, the small, green variety and the larger, cream-colored variety. Each type has its own unique flavor profile and growing requirements. Lima beans thrive in warm temperatures, requiring a growing season of approximately 60 to 90 days, depending on the variety. They prefer well-drained soil and benefit from a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Farmers and gardeners often start seeds indoors to give them a head start, transplanting them outdoors once the risk of frost has passed. Lima beans are typically planted in rows and require regular watering, particularly during flowering and pod development stages. Successful cultivation not only yields a bountiful harvest but also promotes soil health by fixing nitrogen, an essential nutrient for plants. Once harvested, lima beans can be enjoyed in a myriad of culinary applications. They can be prepared fresh, dried, or frozen, allowing for year-round consumption. Fresh lima beans have a sweet, buttery flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes, from salads to soups and stews. Dried lima beans must be soaked and cooked to soften their texture, and they can be used in hearty bean dishes, casseroles, or even pureed into spreads. Their versatility allows them to be incorporated into a range of cuisines, from classic American dishes to Latin American and Mediterranean recipes. Nutritionally, lima beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a wholesome choice for vegetarians and meat-eaters alike. Their low glycemic index makes them a suitable option for those looking to manage blood sugar levels. The health benefits of lima beans extend beyond their nutritional profile. Rich in antioxidants, lima beans help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Their high fiber content supports digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, the presence of essential minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, contributes to overall health and well-being. Lima beans are also known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in reducing inflammation in the body. Incorporating lima beans into your diet can be a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health while enjoying their delightful flavor. Sustainability is an important consideration in the cultivation of lima beans. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many farmers are adopting sustainable agricultural practices to minimize their ecological footprint. These practices include crop rotation, intercropping, and organic farming techniques that enhance soil health and biodiversity. By planting lima beans as part of a crop rotation system, farmers can improve soil fertility and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Additionally, the cultivation of lima beans can support local economies by providing a valuable cash crop for small-scale farmers. The demand for locally sourced and sustainably grown food continues to rise, positioning lima beans as a viable option for environmentally conscious consumers and producers alike. The future of lima beans in the culinary and agricultural world looks promising. As interest in plant-based diets grows, the versatility and nutritional benefits of lima beans are likely to be embraced by more consumers. Innovative recipes and culinary techniques are continually being developed, showcasing the bean's potential in modern cuisine. Furthermore, ongoing research into improving lima bean varieties may enhance their disease resistance, yield, and adaptability to climate change. By fostering a greater understanding of the significance of lima beans in both culinary and agricultural contexts, we can celebrate this humble legume as not only a source of nourishment but also a sustainable choice for future generations. As we continue to explore the rich history, diverse culinary applications, and ecological benefits of lima beans, it becomes clear that they hold a special place in our food system and our hearts. Lima beans, scientifically known as Phaseolus lanatus *, are a fascinating legume with a rich history and diverse applications. Originating in the Andes Mountains of South America, these beans have been cultivated for thousands of years and were an important food source for ancient civilizations, including the Incas. Their name is derived from the capital city of Peru, Lima, where they were first extensively grown. Known for their unique flavor and creamy texture, lima beans are a staple in many cuisines worldwide. As an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, they have gained popularity among health-conscious consumers and food enthusiasts alike. The cultivation of lima beans involves several key steps that contribute to their successful growth and harvest. Lima beans thrive in warm climates and require a well-drained soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8 for optimal growth. They can be planted directly in the garden after the last frost or started indoors for an earlier harvest. Farmers typically sow seeds in rows, spacing them adequately to allow for proper air circulation and sunlight. Lima beans are sensitive to cold temperatures and require consistent moisture, especially during flowering and pod formation. Farmers often practice crop rotation to enhance soil fertility and minimize pest issues. These sustainable agricultural practices not only support healthy lima bean crops but also contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. The culinary versatility of lima beans is one of their most appealing features. They can be enjoyed in various forms, fresh, frozen, or dried, each offering a unique taste and texture. Fresh lima beans are tender and sweet, making them a delightful addition to salads, stir-fries, and side dishes. Dried lima beans, on the other hand, require soaking and cooking, leading to a creamy texture that works well in soups, stews, and casseroles. Their subtle flavor complements a wide array of ingredients, allowing them to shine in both simple and complex dishes. Additionally, lima beans can be pureed to create delicious dips, spreads, and sauces, expanding their culinary applications even further. This adaptability makes lima beans a valuable ingredient in both home kitchens and professional culinary settings. Beyond their culinary uses, lima beans are also recognized for their significant health benefits. Rich in plant-based protein, they provide an excellent alternative for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Lima beans are also high in dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and can aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. Their low glycemic index makes them a suitable choice for individuals managing diabetes, as they help stabilize blood sugar levels. Moreover, lima beans are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to overall health and wellness. Regular consumption of lima beans can play a vital role in a balanced diet, supporting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Sustainability in lima bean production is becoming increasingly important as consumers and farmers alike recognize the need for environmentally responsible practices. Many growers are adopting organic farming techniques that prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and reduced chemical use. Crop rotation, intercropping with other plants, and cover cropping are effective strategies for maintaining soil fertility and preventing pest infestations. Furthermore, the cultivation of lima beans can contribute to local food systems, providing fresh produce to communities while supporting small-scale farmers. As more consumers seek out sustainably sourced foods, lima beans stand out as a nutritious and environmentally friendly option, encouraging a more resilient food system. Looking to the future, lima beans are poised to remain a significant player in the culinary and agricultural landscape. As interest in plant-based diets continues to grow, the demand for versatile legumes like lima beans is expected to rise. Innovations in cooking techniques and recipes are likely to showcase the bean's potential, enticing new generations to explore its culinary possibilities. Additionally, ongoing research into lima bean cultivation may yield new varieties that are more resilient to climate change and pests, ensuring that this beloved legume remains a staple for years to come. By promoting the benefits and versatility of lima beans, we can appreciate their place not just as a food source, but as a vital component of sustainable agriculture and healthy eating. As we delve deeper into the world of lima beans, we uncover not only their nutritional value but also their potential to enrich our diets and support a healthier planet. Lima beans, a staple in many cuisines, are not only a delicious addition to meals but also boast a rich cultural and historical significance. Believed to have originated in the Andean region of South America, these legumes have been cultivated for thousands of years, with archaeological evidence suggesting their use by ancient civilizations like the Incas. Lima beans were brought to North America by European settlers in the 19th century and quickly gained popularity due to their adaptability and ease of cultivation. Today, they are enjoyed around the world, from southern US dishes to Latin American fare, showcasing their versatility in various culinary traditions. The growth cycle of lima beans is a captivating process that involves careful attention to environmental conditions. Lima beans thrive in warm, temperate climates and require a growing season of approximately 60 to 90 days, depending on the variety. They prefer well-drained, loamy soil enriched with organic matter, and planting typically occurs in the spring after the danger of frost has passed. Farmers and home gardeners often choose between bush and pole varieties, with bush lima beans being more compact and suitable for smaller spaces, while pole varieties require trellising for support. Consistent moisture is crucial during flowering and pod development, and regular monitoring for pests and diseases helps ensure a healthy harvest. The successful cultivation of lima beans not only provides food but also enriches the soil through nitrogen fixation, benefiting the overall ecosystem. Culinary uses for lima beans are diverse, with the unique texture and flavor allowing them to shine in many dishes. Fresh lima beans are often favored for their sweet, buttery taste, making them a perfect addition to salads, vegetable medleys, and pasta dishes. Dried lima beans require soaking and cooking but yield a creamy, tender bean that can be used in hearty soups, stews, and casseroles. Additionally, lima beans can be pureed into dips or spreads, offering a nutritious alternative to traditional options. They are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans, while their fiber content promotes digestive health. The versatility of lima beans in the kitchen encourages creativity, allowing home cooks and chefs to experiment with flavors and textures in their meals. Nutritionally, lima beans pack a powerful punch, offering a wealth of health benefits that contribute to overall wellness. They are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and folate, all of which play essential roles in maintaining a balanced diet. The high fiber content in lima beans helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them an ideal food choice for those with diabetes or looking to manage their weight. Additionally, lima beans contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Regularly incorporating lima beans into one's diet can provide a range of health benefits while supporting overall well-being. As the world increasingly focuses on sustainable agriculture and food systems, lima beans present an environmentally friendly option for consumers. They are an excellent choice for crop rotation and intercropping, as their nitrogen-fixing capabilities enhance soil fertility and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Many farmers are adopting organic practices that prioritize soil health and biodiversity, contributing to sustainable farming efforts. The growing demand for locally sourced, sustainable foods has also positioned lima beans as a viable cash crop for small-scale farmers, bolstering local economies and communities. By embracing sustainable practices in lima bean cultivation, we can support healthier ecosystems and promote food security. In the future, lima beans are likely to continue gaining popularity as more people seek out nutritious, plant-based foods. Innovations in cooking techniques, recipes, and agricultural practices will further enhance their appeal in the culinary world. With ongoing research into improving lima bean varieties for disease resistance and adaptability to changing climate conditions, the potential for this legume remains strong. By exploring the many facets of lima beans, from their rich history and cultivation to their culinary versatility and health benefits, we can appreciate their significance in our diets and their role in promoting sustainable agriculture. Lima beans not only nourish our bodies but also provide an opportunity to engage with the broader issues of food security and environmental stewardship. Their enduring presence in kitchens around the world speaks to their versatility and importance as a staple food for generations to come.